Okay, this is how I ship apps in a weekend and not month. I have an idea, a very, very defined idea of what I want to do. I'm going to show you how I make the wireframe. Usually I use something that's called Tearddraw, and you can make a screen with buttons and stuff. It's very cool. Then when you have that, you just start working. Choose a very popular stack so that the model you're going to use with AI and the deployment is going to be easy. The best stack right now to make website is called Next.js, and the best stack to make application is called React Native. Now that you got that, you follow the starting guides, a development guide. You just follow the steps. It's not hard. And you can use Perplexity, for instance, to create the prompt, to create the specs. We call it specs. Specs is a list of things that the model should do. Then you fire up your Claude Code, or you fire up your code editor. This is Cursor. I pay for it €20 a month. The best model right now is Opus 4.6. It is able to ship you very cool stuff. But you need a database. I would recommend Convex. Convex, it's a database. They also store like images. They are real time, so you can make collaborative apps. And this is amazing because AI is very good at implementing it. The other proposition could be Spacetime DB. Then you create your thing. Now you want to sell. You need Polar. Polar is your platform to get payments. It's a merchant of record, and it will handle all the tax records. And your customers, when they want to subscribe, they will be redirected to this panel that shows them like the payment by card and stuff, and they will handle all the subscriptions for you. For the email, you may use Loops. Loops is amazing. It's made for people that create SaaS, software as a service. You can create transactional email, so like authentication email, but you can also do newsletter, product marketing email. That's very fun. And all those tools I showed you are free. Now you are ready to deploy. You should deploy on Vercel. Vercel is the platform by choice. It's made for Next.js. It's amazing, it is free, and it's one click. You connect everything. Your code is stored on something that's called GitHub. GitHub is how you store your code with history of everything you do. You connect your GitHub to your Vercel. You have a domain, and you can activate analytics. It has everything you need, even integrations to services, maybe a database that is not Convex or storage. And yeah, that's it. You don't need much more. Everything I showed you has a free tier, so you can prototype and you can make your first app.